Dear Diary, today's date, December 5th. Time is 9:46. Song, you can do it if you put your back into it. Artist, I don't know. Don't come at me for it. Drink, I don't have one, surprisingly. All I know is, I should have listened to Cody. When I went to work, I still bought those sports bras, and I decided to go to work in one today. Knowing I ain't know it was going to be that cold. All you know is I felt every single beat of that breeze, and it was not good. I FaceTimed the hamburger man on break. He said, am I okay? Look like I got one big boob. I said, this is my new sports bras. I hope Amazon could take returns, because they sure finna get these back returns, because these ain't helping me. These ain't helping me, I'm telling you. These don't help. These don't help a bit. All I know, my back has been killing me all day. And you'll never see me with another sports bra, because I'm tired of, I don't want to go to work with one big boob again tomorrow. It is too cold for this. Can't believe it.